Hi, my name is Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a product overview for one of our oil change kit options for the Audi and Volkswagen supercharged 3-liter and the 3.2-liter V6 engines. This particular oil change kit features 7 liters of the Revenol VMO 5W40 and a Mala original oil filter along with the necessary seals for the oil filter replacement. Revenol VMO carries formal factory approvals from Volkswagen for the 50200 oil quality standard. If you don't specifically see this oil specification indicated on the bottle, it's not the proper oil for your engine. It is an inferior quality oil. What really sets this oil apart from other oils in the industry is Revenol's Clean Synto technology. Clean Synto is a higher quality synthetic oil base than what's typically used in the industry, and it features a highly advanced additive package engineered in Germany. When compared to other synthetic oils on the market, you'll notice a much quieter running engine, reduced deposit and sludge buildup, and an improvement in fuel economy. That's just a few of the many features and qualities of the Revenol VMO. To see more about this awesome oil, you can visit our website. Our oil change kit also includes the Mala oil filter. Mala is an official OE manufacturer to many of the German automakers such as Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, Mercedes, and Porsche. Mala also uses OE specification flow rates, materials, capacity, construction, and refuses to sacrifice when it comes to the quality of their filters. As well, the oil filter comes with the necessary O-rings and seals for the oil filter replacement. So that's an overview on our oil change kit for the Audi and Volkswagen supercharged 3-liter V6 and the 3.2-liter V6 engines. If you have any questions on our BLAU oil change kits, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.